Dealing with an app can be tricky, especially when your money is involved. If you're wondering how to properly handle the Raiz app, whether you want to delete it or reinstall it and keep your investments safe, this guide is for you. First, let's talk about deleting the app from your phone versus closing your account. Simply uninstalling the Raiz app from your phone does not close your investment account. Your investments and your personal data remain with Raiz. Deleting the app is just removing one way to access your existing account. All your automated investments, like roundups, will continue unless you pause or stop them within the app or through the web portal before you delete it. So, if you just want to clear some space or fix a glitch, you can safely delete and reinstall. Here's the key takeaway for reinstallation: your account is tied to your email, not the app installation. When you reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play, you just log back in with your existing email and password. All your investment portfolio details, balance, and settings will be right there. You might have to go through a quick security step, like a multi-factor authentication code sent to your email or phone, especially if it's been a while or it's a new device. Now, if you want to permanently delete or close your entire Raiz account and withdraw your funds, that's a different process. You must do this through the app or the Raiz website, not just by deleting the app. The steps are typically: log into the app, go to the My Settings or Accounts section, and look for an option like Support or Close Account. You'll need to follow the prompts to liquidate your investments and transfer the money to your linked bank account. This process usually takes a few business days to complete. If you have any trouble finding the option, contact Raiz support directly. The big distinction: delete the app to clear space or troubleshoot, you keep your account. Close the account using the in-app or website settings, you liquidate your investments and your account is closed, ***. Keep this in mind to make sure you're doing exactly what you intend with your investment.